During the night, the volcano was actually very active. You could see the flow of the volcano from the crater rim toward several streams. It seems that it's not flowing only in the lava tubes, the caves that formed by the passage of the lava, but also flowing, overflowing everywhere. You can see at least one, two, three streams here in this video, three main streams. You can see a lot of other streams also. And you can look at it. Is that lava fall is at least 100-meter wide. The one in the lower center. And to the dust, you could see the people actually getting closer because the lava flow was increased. And that is amazing how people are now going there. I wish somebody would have an ice cream van or I don't know, hot dog stall or something for us just to have some nibble to eat. Some people carry things with them, but it would be nice to have something warm. Anyway, that's a business opportunity for anyone. During the night, during the day, down. Coffee will be nice.